Hi, and welcome back. Writers, you could say, are creatures of habit, in that we tend to return to the place where we achieve the best results. It is, of course, different for every writer. Some might find their ideal place locked away in the basement of their home, away from the noise of their family. Another might drive out of town to a favorite out-of-the-way cabin and its peaceful lakefront setting, while another might just need the local coffee shop. For my first published novel, The Warrior Sage, I actually flew to the Dominican Republic several times before I had a manuscript I was satisfied with. For my next two novels, I traveled to Cuba. I even had a coffee in the place where Hemingway wrote some of his stories. What's important to note here is, if you're finding that you're not able to express yourself in your present surroundings, don't jump to the all too familiar conclusion of writer's block, because probably you just need a more suitable place to write. Agatha Christie wrote in the bathtub. George Bernard Shaw wrote in a shed he built in his backyard. And Walter Scott, believe it or not, wrote on horseback. Now, I'm not saying to go out and build your own shed or purchase a horse. I'm merely saying that you need to find out what's ideal for you. And if you're wondering how to know what's ideal, honestly, that can only be determined by you. If your creative juices require total quiet with zero distraction, then sealing yourself in a quiet room might be ideal for you. But on the other hand, if you need background noise and the recurring distraction from a passerby, then maybe a more public place is more suited to your needs. Wherever you need to be to unleash that story inside of you, get there. Clear your calendar, turn off your cell phone, grab your laptop and go someplace and write. Don't make this an excuse. When J.K. Rowling used to bundle up her baby and head to her favorite coffee shop, she did this each and every day relentlessly while writing the first Harry Potter book. And she quotes, "The idea of just wandering off to a cafe with a notebook and writing and seeing where that takes me for a while is just bliss." Thanks for joining, and I'll see you next week.